Since I love my wildflowers, I didn't do a lot of gardening this year. Therefore, everything overgrew. Now it is time to reclaim the garden. Reclaiming the garden, part 1. This patch is the first one to go. I called it a boat because with the stick structure it looked like a reverse boat. It is the patch where I used to grow my runner beans. Let's start. I started weeding around the sticks. Then I took out the sticks and the net. Then the real weeding began. Well, I totally forgot what these plants in between the strawberry plants are. I'll let them stay over this winter and we'll see about them next year. This is the place where the cuttings will overwinter. Some are already done and others will be added over time. This is what happens when I take a break. Only 3 chickens in the picture. One was broody and the other one was laying an egg. This is to protect the roots of the future cuttings. Now it is time to prepare the rest of this side of the patch. This is where the mulberry tree will go and some other plants that I bought at the local garden center. So it turns out that I didn't film the planting of the mulberry tree. Here's a picture of the end of the day. You can tell that it got some water. It is happy where it's standing. Some of the plants were planted with it and others went into other pots to be planted elsewhere later. It has been a few weeks. The mulberry is doing great and I'm now going to plant some other things. This is a picture of day 1. And this is how it went over time. This is what it looks like today. Here's an oversight. These are gummy cuttings. These are vines. These are gooseberry cuttings. As you can see, a lot of the weeds have come back. This is a plant that I just got, I don't know where, don't know what it is, but it's getting stronger, so that's good to see. This is a prune tree. This is the gummy. As you can see, it did finally get its hair cut. And these are the cuttings. This one is doing very well. This is the fennel. This is the cow parsley. This is the bronze fennel. And this is the garden angelica. And this is the mulberry tree. Some of the flowers I planted are still alongside. The tree is losing its leaves. Winter is coming. As you can see, the plants are thriving. I'm very happy with this patch and I'm looking forward to next year. Hope to see you then for an update. For now, thank you for watching and hope to see you soon in another video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.